maayos ang aking mga labada. Araw-araw na lang ako ay naglalaba. Gloria, Gloria, labandera. Gloria, Gloria, labandera. Gloria, Gloria, labandera. Labandera si Rosalinda. O diba? Galing ng ang galing ng version ni Rosalinda Miamore. Oh, saan ka pa? Gloria, Gloria Labandera. Oh. Hello. Kumusta kayo dyan? S+1, I'm washing the clothes. I'm folding the clothes now. It's already dry. Always, you know, cannot finish the laundry. Next day dry. Next day fold it. Fold the clothes. Let's go over here. Fold the clothes. I have to push it around on my feet. Like that. Push it around. So I can sit down and fold the laundry. You know what I mean? Move it this way. Move it that way. So I can sit down here and fold the laundry. See that? This is how you do it. Every day is the other day. Every day is laundry. Folding it. I'm folding it now. Okay. Let's go fold the laundry today. Super cold. Super cold in here. You know? I have to wear a jacket inside the house. It's not a jacket, it's a coat. Soft. Soft. It feels warm. How are you guys doing? Basa muna tayo ng mga comments right here. Feel free to share my channel with your other friends if you want. Yes, you guys keep on rolling out to share the live and share the channel, everybody. And loves and Labapamor. Oo nga na, mag-stream yard sana ako para may mag-guest. Natamad din ako. Kasi, naano yung ano ko. Yung, ito, nagrakarak, parang ano na siya. Basag yung ano niya. Basag yung audio. Pangit. Tsaka mahina. Basag, mahina pa. Nawalan na ako ng ano. Gana mag-stream yan kasi. This movie get my attention right now. I have a Filipino channel from the Philippines, like the news. You can watch the news from the Philippines, the episode. O yan, dito yung asawa ko, mag-end ako kasi ayaw niya itong nakalive ako. Bye guys.